Planning a trip to Kazakhstan from the UAE? You're in the right place. From the lively streets of Almaty to stunning mountain views, Kazakhstan is full of amazing experiences. And your journey starts with the right visa. At Regal Travel Agency, we make your Kazakhstan visa process simple, fast, and stress-free for you. With over 12 years of experience, our expert team carefully prepares your documents and handles your full application from start to finish. Whether you need a tourist visa, business visa, family visit, or transit visa, we've got you covered. We also help with both single entry and multiple entry options. Kazakhstan visas require an official invitation letter, and you must visit the consulate in person. Don't worry, we guide you through every step. The visa process usually takes around 15 to 20 working days. No confusion, no delays, just a smooth and reliable service you can trust. Contact Regal Travel Agency today and get ready to explore Kazakhstan.